camping at the Kia Forum, our favorite place. We camped 2 times at the Forum for Mr. Harry Styles. We feel like we're veterans now when it comes to camping, so if you need any advice, this is where you're meant to be.
It's kind of gonna be like a vlog because we have a lot of footage from when we camped too. So we're gonna show footage from that, but then we're also gonna like explain the whole, like our whole experience, and then we're gonna do like an essentials list at the end.
We camped for 2 shows. So October 28th was the first one, and then November 12th was the second one. Just for reference, we were 49 through 51 in line because it was me, Lauren, and Dee Dee, and we had the same numbers each time. Like total coincidence.
Completely on accident.
Like weird. And then where we stood, we'll talk about like
sections, yeah.
Where to stand and our advice on that later, but where we stood was on the straights right in front of Polly.
Both times.
And we love that spot. Like, would do it again. We did do it again.
We got there at 7 a.m. the day before the concert. So our concert was on Friday, which it was. We got there at 7 a.m. on Thursday.
Yeah, so you're camping for 24 hours. Also, this was the whole reason we were camping, was to get Barricade, because that's what we wanted. Like, that was our dream goal, to be able to experience that. But if that's not what you want, then like you do not need to be doing this at all. You can have an amazing view from wherever in Pitt. Like, we were back of Pitt one night and it was so much fun. So this is solely if you want like front row or like second row or something.
If you don't care about any of that, you can show up when doors open.
So we did a little 24-hour plus.
Yeah, twice. For a January show, I would recommend going around the same time we did, or honestly even earlier. To you though, if you're like free. I wouldn't push it. A lot of people say like, oh, any view you have is good, which is very true. But I do think Barricade makes a difference if you're interested in that, because you didn't have to deal with posters,
oh my god,
just hands or cameras, which we did notice was a little annoying when we were in the back of Pitt.
I would just say overall, like, if you are not 100% set on camping, don't do it.
it's brutal, like it is, yeah.
And you will feel like you wasted your time, because there is so much time that you are wasting.
But at the same time, like, all of us, there was 3 of us camping, and we all say that it was worth it and we would 100% do it again. Another thing is, if you're worried about being like smushed, we didn't have any issues with that at all. Like like another worry is being like pushed or being like too close to people.
Oh,
I didn't feel like that at all. Like, I couldn't even feel the people behind me at all.
Next on my list, I put like the location of where it is, if any of you guys don't know. The Kia Forum on their website, for I think every artist, but they'll post a whole like form of like their rules and stuff, and I recommend like doing your research and looking that up.
It's usually very similar for each artist. Yeah, it'll say like what you can bring, what time you get there, wristbands, that process, but we're also gonna explain it here like based on our experience.
Yeah, the things they don't tell you. If you do want to know, for Harry Styles shows, the camping is on Cream Court in south of Manchester. Just go there and you'll see a line of tents and you'll know.
You'll see it. It'll say no camping overnight.
Oh yeah, literally.
And a lot of people are confused on that because it says, like the forum says it. Fans have a different idea.
Camping has been going on since the beginning of time. Every venue ever knows that there's camping that's going to be happening because people love their favorite artists and they want to be front row. It's their rule that you can't camp. They're not encouraging it, but they also don't discourage it.
Yeah, so the way they go around it is you can't camp on forum property, which the street that we just gave you like the name of isn't technically on like their property, so you're able to do it there. That's the way we work around it, I guess.
It's literally just a sidewalk. It's like public.
It's
property.
Literally a sidewalk. So parking for the forum doesn't open until 9 a.m. which we told you that we got there at 7 a.m.
the day before.
Which means there's like a few options that you could do for parking. We were lucky because we got dropped off and picked up both times we camped.
Shout out Marielle. Thank you.
Thanks,
and her parents literally drove up to LA. We live in San Diego. They drove up to LA just to pick us up off the streets and take us home.
So there are a few options that other girls around us did. the simplest way is there's a Vons around like a 10-15 minute walk to the Vons.
A 3-5 minute run.
And they have obviously parking lot there, but it's like risky. I know a lot of people park there, but it's LA and it's at your own risk.
It's like a normal shopping center where it's like no overnight parking, no concert parking, but obviously when you have a huge venue, like hundreds of girls are gonna park there, and like they obviously can't tow everyone, but
it could be a spot that they're like specifically looking for cars because they know. People are talking about an airport. I don't know which airport. I don't think it's LAX.
Do you think it's LAX?
I was thinking it was a smaller one. I think it's a small lot, like not connected to LA. I don't know. There's an airport lot somewhere that's decently close that people went to and paid a small amount. I don't know how much it was.
I don't think it's small. I don't think airport parking in general will ever be.
But I think they just paid there every single day, and it's closer to the Forum, and they Ubered from there. I don't know. And then there's
these girls
that we met
kept running into that are literally from Utah. So they drove here.
Shout out to you guys. They parked at like a clinic.
At a hospital.
A hospital?
I think their option was the smartest because they said their like
it was overnight.
Was like
but no, we cannot crowd the hospital parking lot.
They said it was like 10 minutes away or something, and they would leave their car there and Uber. I mean, also let me just preface, if you're not from California, like you're in Inglewood and it's not the safest area.
People say different stuff. It's based on where you live. It's based on what you know. It's based on what you're comfortable with.
Yeah. There's a lot of activity, so we didn't really feel unsafe. But we have heard stuff happening, so like
be safe.
In general, be safe. Like look out.
Walk together if you're walking.
Yeah. Don't be stupid.
To talk about the surroundings now, since we're already talking about it, there's very limited options. There's a Vons that we already said. Is it Vons or Ralph's?
Vons.
There's a Vons with a gas station, a McDonald's, and a Starbucks, all within like walking distance. We haven't gone the other way yet.
No, because it's too far.
We've gone there every time we've camped to McDonald's. It's really not far of a trek, but like we had that for lunch. Starbucks is also there. We've also been there multiple times.
So many times.
Dude, I'm getting my personality back though. Like I'm feeling like myself again.
Yeah. It also, it's not like a store. It's just like.
It's like a walk up.
Yes. Really, I like it.
So that's like kind of your closest food options. Vons, you can get snacks or whatever. And then we DoorDash something to the street one day.
I would recommend doing that just because it's easy. You don't have to go anywhere and you can get like more options of food. The only thing is it's a little tricky because you are literally on the side of the road. It's a little difficult, but like you'll figure it out.
There's also not like don't expect to be eating healthy food. There's pretty much only fast food options.
Yeah.
So we can talk about bathroom, I guess, now.
Oh, I got this one. Okay, so the bathroom situation, this is why I say that they don't encourage camping, but they don't discourage it, because they literally have 3 porta potties, like, right where you camp. Like, you don't have to, like, get up and walk across anywhere. It's right there. So, yeah, it's nothing glamorous.
I mean, they are there for you, so it's, like, at least you have a bathroom.
Yeah.
But hold your breath real quick and then get out.
They do clean them out every day, but it's like once at like 4 p.m. or something,
so you'll see these big signs and they're all labeled like A through something. It goes around the Forum.
Yeah.
And so at HG, whatever, somewhere around there, there's more bathrooms.
Yeah.
Kind of around where Harry goes into the venue.
Oh yeah, where he like drives in.
Yeah, there's more bathrooms there.
Yeah.
Still porta potty. And then your other options are the places that we mentioned. There's ones in Vons. There's none in Starbucks.
In McDonald's?
Yes.
Again, nothing glamorous, but just be prepared. I know this isn't essentials, but I'm just gonna say it now. Bring toilet paper or wipes or hand sanitizer. Do not just like.
Oh yeah, don't bank on them having it.
The amount of girls who just like didn't have it like shocked me. Like, are you kidding me?
We're just so like real. A little overpacked, like preppers.
I guess, but I'm like, guys.
Basically, you have a bathroom.
Okay, I think we should talk about like what you're supposed to do once you get there.
Oh, the process.
The first thing that you should do is go find the wristband people, the line leaders. I like to call them like fan honored wristbands because they literally in hindsight don't mean anything, but it's basically for the fans camping, and it just like ensures your spot and
Do you have it?
mine. Yeah, I do. One moment.
Basically, oh my god, this camera is shaking. This wristband is given out by the first people that are there camping for that day.
I want the new one so bad. Like
Okay, so for example, we got this one and it has the number on it, 50.
Yes.
Were you 50? Yeah. And then we got this one, which is
a
51.
little Christmas moment. These are literally from girls in the front of the line
Who was like organizing the line basically to make sure we were in the correct order.
Yes.
As when we
Also,
got there.
I will mention that these are not like girls getting paid to be there. They're literally just girls like us.
Oh yeah, be nice.
Yeah, it would be nice. But they're just like girls like us that have tickets that were just in the front, and they came prepared with like this stuff. So this isn't some hairy association. Like nobody's getting paid to do this.
Yeah, so that kind of, well, that did give us comfort because we kind of knew what we were gonna do. Like, we knew our spots from there on out.
Yeah, it just kind of allows you to like be able to like walk around, like do what you need to do,
And
not
hold
have
your
to, like,
place.
sit in
Yeah.
like this line the whole time.
Your tent might not be in order from when you got there either, so don't worry. As long as you have your number, your wristband, like just make sure you check in with the people and they know that you're
Yeah.
there. Like introduce yourself or whatever.
Also, like the people around you, so like the numbers in front of you, behind you, I would try to make conversation with or introduce yourself to, just so like they know your face and like they can vouch for you if some reason, like in the morning people are like, I don't remember you or something like that. You just want to cover your bases. I know that sounds so
Yeah, I mean, know the people you're around.
shitty.
Like it helps a lot. Also,
Yeah.
you'll probably end up being friends with them.
Yeah.
Almost everyone we talk to.
Get your little wristband thing, keep it on, keep
Set up
it
camp.
tight. Yeah, now you can set up camp.
And then you're literally put for like 26 hours and
Yeah.
nothing else happens. You can do whatever you want until then.
The whole point of just camping after you get your little like fake honored fan wristband is literally just passing time. Like,
Watch movies,
Do
do
what
whatever
you
you
need to
want,
do.
get merch. Merch will open at 11 on show days, I think.
yeah.
It might change for January, I don't know.
Yeah, and don't like rely on the fact that like, oh, nighttime you're just gonna sleep for 10 hours and then it's over.
No.
Because you're probably not gonna sleep at all, and you're probably not gonna get good night's sleep at all.
If there's a show the day you're camping,
Oh my god.
you'll just hear cars, you'll hear people.
Motorcycles, they will start their engine right by your tent. There's drunk
Lights,
people.
like lights flashing directly at your tent. There's people
Police.
selling hot dogs, rolling right past
Oh,
you.
God.
Nighttime's pretty brutal, but it's all, I don't know, you'll figure it out.
Some of the things that we did though to keep ourselves company, we watched so much movies, like TV shows, blah blah blah. Your phone keeps you company for like a little bit on and off, but
Only
like
for so long, honestly.
yeah, we like talked to other people, made friends. We got merch. That took a long time because like
The line could get
It takes so
long.
long.
Honestly, I would go exactly when merch opens because people like come and the line gets big.
we took walks. Getting food was like our activity, like big activity.
Oh yeah,
of
it
the
was our
day.
activity for the
We're
day.
like, "Let's go
And then we would have to
get
like save the food for later, so we'd be like
we had our
eating
kitchen.
like one or two.
The one thing I would recommend, the first time, I don't know what it was, but I was like stir crazy. Like I felt like I needed to like run laps and play with a ball. I felt like a dog. I was like,
I need ball, I don't care what it is, like stuff ball, football.
basketball, I just want it. And we didn't have one. So we learned our lesson the second time, and Lauren brought her like mini football thing.
My mom and
You
dad
bought
bought a football.
They bought it?
Yeah, they bought it when they bought the hand warmers. They
Oh my
bought a
God.
mini football that we brought and we were playing like around with it for a solid amount of time.
And we were literally
Just to get some activity. I mean, we were just sitting in a tent the whole day. Like, it was actually kind of fun.
It is so fun. Like you feel like you're actually camping. I don't know. I don't camp.
Like,
at
doing
all.
something.
It was so funny because like there was a show that day when we were camping. So like people were in line like in the parking lot, and
We were just
like
chucking a football
musty
around.
in our sweatpants, just like go ball. But I recommend. It's really fun, and you can also make friends with it if you want to.
Okay, we can talk about the process in the morning now. So, waited that
My least favorite
long.
part.
Waited that all that time, and then you're finally something's gonna actually happen.
This is what you're waiting for.
At 9 a.m., actually earlier, we lined up like, depends on your line leader, but like we lined up at 8 based on the numbers on our wristband.
Honestly, once it turns morning, like the day of, everyone's just ready to go.
Yeah, but you'll get the actual forum wristband. It looks like this.
Or it looks like this.
Your number will be on it again. You can't see it.
Put your hand behind it.
No.
No, you have to.
Oh, no.
Is it focused?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god,
It's
slay.
okay. You get in at 9. You reline up. Expect it to take a little bit if you're past 200 or something.
No. Okay.
It takes a long time.
The security people will start coming out at like 8 or 8:30, but like at 8:30 they'll start coming to like the tent area, and they basically just make you get on property, so like the parking lot, and they tell you get in a single file line.
Yes, do
And
it fast because it moves across the
They
lawn.
will threaten you. They'll be like,
If you're not in a single file line, like you're not getting wristbands, you're not moving, like get a single file.
and everyone's like, oh my
They're not that mean.
yes they are, they didn't threaten us.
Just do it, please. Just back up. There's no point in like globbing together and like waiting for
That's
someone else to do
kind
it.
of difficult.
Just do it.
Anyways, once you do get in your single file line, a lady will come, or a man, and they'll check your ticket. Then they they check your ticket, and then they have this like cone line thing that goes through the parking lot, and at the end there's like a tent with a table where they give
You're very
the
specific.
wristbands, because this is what I would love
And then
to
you'll
know.
walk down the thing.
10 at a time. They count you.
Oh
10.
yeah, 10 at a time.
But then you walk, and you're all single file. Like, you can't turn around. And then you get to the table, and then... Okay, that was weird. Anyways,
Okay.
so you walk, you get to the table, you give them your hand, and then they wrist you up. And then they'll tell you when to come back. Because
Yeah.
they're not going to get...
I'd rather not. Like, don't take it from us.
Yeah, because it might change.
Like, it might change, but basically what they were telling us is be back at 3 because they really wanted you back at 4.
Yeah, that's...
So they just said that to make sure you're not late. Don't be late.
This isn't
Don't
like
be late.
Oh, 4, but like they'll really start at 4:10. That's not like at 4 they actually like do start.
Don't be late. It's not worth it. They won't let you in if you're late.
So literally get there at 2 or 3, especially if you want to take pictures.
Early is better. Just be there early.
Get
Don't even worry
ready
about it.
And go.
Basically, you have that time to shower, get ready,
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah, once you get the actual thing, like,
You're good to go.
you're good. You just have to come back in time. But you can do whatever you want.
The only thing we really had time for is to shower, get ready, rest a little bit, and eat.
Yeah.
Other than that, we were back. Like, some people were saying that they took long naps. There's no way, because my apartment's a little far away from the venue.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no way we'd have had time for that, but
yeah, we don't live in
it was
LA.
fine.
But yeah, you're pretty much set. You come back before the time they tell you, and then there's like a little designated area. You're supposed to reline up in the number that you are, which it's kind of difficult because everyone's getting there.
But don't worry, like you'll get back in order with your actual number.
Yes.
And they'll make sure of it.
Yeah, they're actually very organized this time around. I don't know if they're gonna have the same security for the January shows. I don't think they are.
Pierre.
Yeah, because they're
Oh.
going to the Super Bowl. The way that I
Oh,
know.
yeah.
Which I don't understand because the Super
They're going
Bowl's
to the
literally
Super Bowl.
in like February.
Is it?
Yeah, so like why are they going now? Just to like get familiar?
I have no clue.
Basically, last time we were there getting our wristbands, the girl next to us had gone to all 59, so she made friends with like every single person who ever worked there. And she was talking to security, and she was like, oh, we're gonna be back for the January shows. And Pierre and the other lady were like, no,
Oh.
like we're being sent to the Super Bowl.
It's
Yeah,
February 12th.
which doesn't make sense.
That doesn't make sense.
Do they have training?
Where's the Super Bowl?
Arizona.
They're not gonna. I have no clue.
So hopefully the security or the organization is
It's still
the
good.
same. But they're really good about like the number thing. At least
They'll
for
check.
the first like hundreds, because that's what
You
we
might
were
be
in.
off a little bit, a tiny little, like 1 or
Like
2
3.
people. Like, don't worry about it. It's fine. You'll end up where you're supposed to be.
Yeah. Because okay, so
Again, that's why it's important to know who's in front of you and behind you.
Yes, because also if that's the case, and you have your wristband and everything, everyone's pretty nice. Like if you just ask nicely, if you're out of order, like oh,
They
hey,
know
like,
you're in front of
out of
them.
front- Yeah, like girls would be like, oh, you're in front of us, like
Yeah.
come back, like super nice. So like just be friendly. Okay, so you're in line again. 4 p.m. hits. The doors don't open till 6. Let me just say that. So what they do at 4 is they like count you off. They're like 1, 2, you know, whatever. And they let you into these like fenced like things.
Snake.
You're in a better line.
You'll see it.
So you snake into this line, and then they're like.
You also
"All
go
right."
through security.
No, this is at 4. So 4.
Oh,
you do
okay,
the
okay.
snake. And then they're like, all right, you're gonna be
No,
here
yeah,
for a
we do.
little bit.
No,
So
yeah.
then you sit down. But
Bring a jacket.
Yes.
oh my
I don't
God,
care if your
January
outfit is the
shows.
cutest outfit you've ever seen in
Oh
your
my
life.
God. We
We wore like dresses, but then we all brought like coats. And
The second
I don't
time-
care what the heck we are wearing. Like, you need that jacket because
Oh.
it is freezing outside by then.
And January, it's gonna be even.
And the sun's going down. Like, it is cold. Bring a jacket
freezing.
or like some sort of blanket, something.
Oh, bring a blanket. Oh my God.
And then if you want to sit on the ground, bring a blanket. Like, I don't know.
It's
I know you
fine.
don't want to carry too much. Bring it.
My teeth were chattering, and it's not as cold as it is
And
now.
we were wearing jackets.
So yeah, my God, please bring a jacket. But anyway, so yeah, you get into the little fancy things, you sit down, and then I want to say at like 5.
Yeah, I think around 5.
Let you in through security, so they make you go through the security line.
And then you get in another little gated area.
The security is like possibly where your numbers might get mixed up, because so far you've been in like a single file line. Security is like when you're at Disney, they have like 6 different stations, and so everyone.
So you
just
might get a little bit mixed up there, but same thing. Know your people, go back to your spot.
Yeah.
But security, have your stuff ready.
Have your bag open. Bring. Okay.
They're gonna check your posters, have your poster out.
I think the clear bag is the way to go, because
Clear bag is
sometimes
quick.
they don't even like make you open it because it's clear. So yeah, look up the rules and stuff. We're not gonna talk about it because it's basic knowledge.
Yeah,
to
you'll
look it up.
yeah, they'll have a whole thing.
Posters. You're not allowed to have markers in. A lot of girls sneak them in, but
Oh yeah, there's a few things.
also they check your posters. They're very like adamant about it. So they made me like hold up my poster in the back and they read it.
No, she.
No.
I have to tell this story. Basically, Allie had the poster. Allie had the poster, which by the way, anyone wondering, it
What
said
is it?
almond milk or oat milk. We don't think he drinks milk. That's what our conclusion
I
is.
also read it and didn't.
Didn't answer, but I think he either doesn't drink milk or I think he would be an almond. You think he'd be an oat milk? I think he'd be almond milk.
I think it's almond milk.
Okay, good.
But he
okay.
didn't answer. So
We don't know.
We'll
We'll
never know.
never know. But what did you do?
Please, I was so tired.
She was going through security and she had the poster, like the clear side of the poster up. What'd they say? Can you turn that around? Or can you turn around? And she turned her like whole body, like her, to sew her back. And they were like, oh no, the poster. Idiot.
When I go through security, I get so scared, even though I like literally don't have anything on me. So I'm like stressed, and I like have my bag, whatever. I'm like, and then I take the poster. I go through the little thing while I'm holding the poster, and then she's like, oh, can you like turn it around? And so I like.
You're dumb. Okay, once you go through security, you get these babies.
They're so cute.
They are cute. They're hairy related, all of them.
I sewed mine to get it back in a circle.
They put it on very tight. These are the
Like-
keys to get you in. That's when they scan your ticket and then give
yeah.
you these.
Thank you. Thank you.
But
You get
you
this
do
thing,
line up.
and then you go through another little sneaky thing, which is like right in front of the place where it says like.
It'll say it'll say
Yeah, what does it say?
front. Oh,
Floor seats.
floor seats. Yeah, floor
Yeah.
seats.
So you're still in a line, okay? And this is where you should get back in line if you like are a couple people behind or forward, like try to get back in your spot.
Right away, they'll let you go. Once you like settled in your spots in the gates, you are able to go on the terrace, which has some food vendors open. I think the bars open, like the big one with the
Yeah.
what is it called? The Gills Lounge.
Oh.
And then you can also take your pictures with the walls, like all the walls with the lyrics,
This
blah
is
blah
where
blah
all
blah.
the pic really. This is when you get your pictures. It's only outdoor stuff that's open. None of the indoor.
Yeah, you can't go
things.
in the venue yet.
We accidentally got in like the first time because we
Oh,
were
yeah.
just trying to find the bathroom. We didn't know where it was.
He let us in.
Yeah, there was a
not
guy
our
like in
fault.
front of the door, and he just like saw us coming, and he like moved out of the way. But once we used the bathroom, there was like a man from the top, and he was like, "Is anyone down there?"
And we're like, yeah.
We're like, "Yes."
We were the only ones in the bathroom. There was 3 of us, and
Yeah.
we were just taking pictures.
Yeah. And then he was like, "You guys gotta get out of here." We're like, "Okay."
Fair warning, the bathroom is stairs.
Oh, yes.
Down.
So if you got your
If you've never
boots,
been before,
you got your heels, be careful.
just be cautious.
Yeah,
Okay, so once you're done with that, you'll
use the
head back
bathroom.
to your, oh yeah, use the bathroom. This is kind of your
last time.
only shot, like your last chance.
Yeah. Get food. There's a little bit of technicality to
Not
that.
the best
but,
food, but just do it. You gotta eat.
Recommend the quesadillas tacos outside.
Oh, yeah.
That's probably the
That's
best
our
food.
favorite. Yeah, that was the best food that we found the whole time. And then once you're done with that, get back to your place in line before 6.
Oh.
Before 6.
Yeah, they
6
move.
is the time that we're going in. So get back,
Yes.
and then they'll start letting you in. Wristbands out. Hold it
Oh,
up.
yeah. Your arm is gonna be
Hold
like
it
this
up.
until you're in your spot and barricade. Like,
Basically,
your
they
arm is
check it like
this.
6 times just to
And they're
make
yelling
sure.
at you. They're like,
Just make
"Oh,
sure.
Up, wristband out. They're
Sleeves
kinda
up.
scary.
Just yeah, basically
Literally
you're just
just
showing
walk
it.
like
You
this.
pass like 6 security people on the way.
I know you go somewhere.
They bring you in your small groups of like.
Maybe like 50, I don't know.
Oh wait, it was 50 because we were at the end.
Oh. So yeah, so you get to go in, you go down the stairs.
I have a video. You're waiting there a little bit. They don't want to let too many people at a time. They don't want it to be like too frantic. So you go in with like a small group of people, and basically when you walk in, oh my god, I'm picturing it right now, and it's giving me like.
You also get to pass like the downstairs where they
Oh
have,
my
like,
god.
downstairs
They also have
merch.
downstairs merch, downstairs food, but I wouldn't rely on it.
No, you pretty
Get
much,
all the stuff before that happens.
yeah, you pretty much can't. Anyways,
Um,
so then you're waiting in front of the door to like get in.
I can see it. It's messing me up.
I have like no videos of this moment because I was so scared.
I think
each
I do.
time. I literally had anxiety. I was just like this
Oh yeah, we were
the whole time.
bad. Like we were freaking out the first time we were doing it.
So then they let you in a line, and there is no running,
Don't run. It's not that. The stage is like right here.
I'm
You're
sure-
like right here. It's not Coachella.
but it's just walking, maybe a little bit of fast walking, and they'll literally yell at you like, no running, no running. Like,
Also, you're in your shoes. Don't run.
everyone doesn't run, so
Yeah.
you're fine.
You're fine.
It's not like Coachella.
I
But yeah, that's what we were afraid of, because I was like, what if they trip and fall? Like, that really
was
can't
like, literally
happen.
leave me. Okay, this is when we enter the diagram.
Yes, okay, we're gonna talk about like where to
Corners, where he is, everything. Like,
stand. So
figure that out before you go in.
yeah, you should
Where
have
you
this
wanna go.
conversation when you're camping. When you walk in,
First thing you see when you walk in
the
is
corner.
the catwalk.
The little free corner. Everyone wants little free corner, and it's also like the first thing you see. So most likely
It is the closest, yeah.
Yeah, so most likely it's already gonna be taken, and
Depending
we knew
on
that.
what number you are.
We knew that. We didn't really want it because we knew it was gonna be taken. So we made our plan. We asked around. The first time we were there, we met this girl named Soph. Shout out Soph.
Oh,
She's
shout
from-
out to Susanna too.
Oh wait, Susanna, yeah. Susanna is our friend, and she camped before us for like an
And she
earlier
was in
show.
poly section, and
Yeah.
she highly recommended it.
She's like the reason why we like knew what we were doing.
Oh
kinda.
yeah, I asked her so many questions.
Yeah, she loved her spot, so we basically went to the same place, and we also loved it. Like,
Went there twice.
love Polly. It's just nice because we love attention, and the thing is, obviously Harry cannot be in one place the whole time. So when he's gone, Polly
Polly
gives
is
you
really
attention
fun.
the entire time. He's very interactive. Like, he's dancing. He's giving eye
Also,
contact.
if you guys are interested, Mitch is direct eye line, and he's facing you because he, for some reason, faces towards inward.
the opposite
Towards the
side.
stage, so you can see him on the opposite side.
Yeah.
You're also by Elin.
Oh my
Love
God.
her.
And Mitch the whole time is like this. On this. Oh wait, we can't see her on the screen.
Oh, you cannot see the screen.
Oh yeah. We didn't know that. I know that's like kind of common.
Yeah,
sense.
that I didn't even think about it when I was watching
Yeah,
it.
like,
but like,
the screen is right above you.
not that you need to, because you're close enough. But like, if you're interested in seeing the screen, back of the pit is where you want to be.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why if you ever see videos of like girls in barricade being confused, like you know the Chris Olsen like daddy sign, they can't see the screen. So
oh
don't
yeah, they
know
had
what's
no.
going
We have no
on.
clue what's going on, like poster wise, what's on the
If it's
screen,
on
any of that stuff.
If something's going on the opposite side, like the girls on the other side cannot see. It is a little frustrating sometimes because you're like, what is he doing? What's happening? You'll see on Harry Florals later, so it's fine.
What else do we need to go over? When you get in there and pick your spot,
Okay.
sit.
Oh yeah,
Like sit.
If you're barricade, back against the barricade, and then beat out.
Sit. Space yourself out. You don't want to be tight when it comes to it.
No. It seems rude.
Luckily because you're starting, when you stand up, obviously that you take up less space.
Yeah.
So you'll notice that you'll have a lot more space.
Yeah, I mean.
So if
people
you
will
feel
start-
like you're super far back, it's because everyone's sitting.
Yeah.
There's food there, a really cool food thing. The pizza, I would not recommend, but we did eat it all.
There's also like one more chance to get food once you get your spot, and like once the second, like third row fills in. It is a little risky, but
It is
if you
hard if
go-
you're barricade though, because you have to walk through all those people.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Like, you just need to make sure you have a path to get back in, but your friends can like save your spot. Like, no girl's just gonna like come up to the barricade and take it. It's just a matter of like getting back. If you do have to leave, once you get your spot, I would say you have like 10 minutes. You probably have longer, but I wouldn't risk it. Like, get food because you're gonna be hungry. Get water because that's like the last time, and then like
we
a
had the
5%.
security guards handing out water for us. I don't know if they're gonna do that again.
That
That
was the
happened to us
second
only
time.
one night,
yeah.
but love him. That's another thing. When you get drinks, you don't get caps.
Oh.
So you need to finish that before you go. I don't even know where the people in the middle put it.
Yeah, that's why there's water all over the floor.
Even if you buy a water bottle, they put it in a cup.
They put it in this, and it's
So,
no lid.
You're
No lid.
so if you don't finish it before like
8,
it's
you're done.
so don't buy like a million drinks.
Yeah, just buy like one water. And that's also the nice thing about barricade is like you kind of have a little pocket of like places
Where to put
stuff.
things,
Like
yeah.
we put our poster, our popcorn, we hung
Our jackets.
That's why it's another pro.
It's cold in there. Bring a jacket.
It's the Forum Freeze. They like really chill
Oh, yeah.
the floor. I don't know.
I don't care if you're around all those people, you would think body heat.
Right?
It's not a thing.
Crazy.
It's really cold.
He has a good pre-show playlist. Ain't nobody like us, come on.
Yeah,
And
but
then-
it's just torture.
a little bit. He plays like Beyonce, Ben, and then you Best Song Ever, another song review, and then Bohemian
Bohemian Rhapsody,
Rhapsody.
Peace,
Peace,
Peace.
Peace. Peace, Peace is the worst. It's so like anxiety provoking.
From there, he's on
and
and
then he rises.
literally have the time of your life.
It goes by so fast. Like it's a 20-minute
Oh,
show.
it's so quick. Do what you want.
Do
You
ya.
waited all that time. Do what you
Just
want,
have
but like
fun and like, you know.
don't feel like
be a
you
part of
can't
the
jump
show.
or dance around barricade.
Oh my god.
We had
were,
so
like-
much room.
We were going ham. Also, if you're barricade, most likely you're gonna be on the jumbo screen. And you're
Oh yeah,
walking
the camera
around
will be right in front of you.
for a little freak Matilda.
Yes.
Treat people with kindness, maybe. We don't know because we see the camera.
We'll
but
never
don't
know.
see the
We
screen.
won't see us on the screen.
We
Yeah.
have like one clip that our friend sent us of being on the screen.
Thank you so much, Los Angeles.
I think that's everything
Um.
for the camping. Now we're gonna tell you about all of the essentials that you need.
Oh my god.
And we're just gonna list it off rapid fire real quick
Yeah,
because
guys, this thing
this
will turn
video
on.
is extremely long.
All right, number 1, tent.
If you're sleeping overnight, you need it. It's so cold. You'll like the tent will be wet in the morning, and if you don't have a tent, you'll be soaked. Next is mattresses. We did not have this the first time we went, and it was awful. You were on
I
the
forgot
hard,
about
cold
that.
ground. If you can, bring mattresses. We had little ones that you pumped up with your foot.
We didn't think everyone was gonna have mattresses, but when we told people that, they were like, "Ooh, like that must have been so bad." How does everyone know? Like, I guess we just don't camp, so we like.
Yeah, we
have no
definitely
idea.
don't camp at all. Bring a sleeping bag. It's so cold.
I didn't have one, and it's just
Sleeping
cold.
bag, tons and tons and tons of blankets.
You're
I don't
still
care.
Gonna be cold.
Blankets, warm clothes, all that stuff. I'll show you. I'll literally put a video of what we were wearing, and we were still cold. keep in mind all the stuff we were wearing.
Portable chargers. We had like 2 each.
We really did not need, we needed like 1. Like, we weren't on our phones that
I would
much,
still
I don't
bring
think.
just as
Oh yeah,
much
still
as
bring
you want,
them.
because you never know.
We already talked about this section, but toilet paper, wipes, hand sanitizer, wet wipes for your hands,
All of it.
all of that
Oh my god,
stuff.
it's so gross, and your hands are never clean, which is so gross if you think about it.
For entertainment, phone.
Oh my god, football.
Bring a book, bring maybe like a card game,
Yes.
a
board
football,
game.
something, books. I don't know, whatever you want that you can think can pass the time, because it's a long time.
I'm going crazy.
Make friends, make friends.
Yeah, that makes the time go by so fast. When we met our friends the second time.
Shout
Shout out
out
to
Cannon.
Cannon and Mita and Liv.
Little
that was
babies.
crazy. They literally brought their camping stuff from
On the plane.
On the plane.
Like,
from
that's all they that's all they
Tennessee.
packed.
Craziness.
Okay, snacks. We think we brought the best snacks, if I'm being honest. So we brought like chips, like actual snack stuff, but then we brought like
Grapes.
wine rolls and like grapes and like apples.
Things that are filling but like not gross.
Water, bring water. Along with that, bring like napkins and utensils, because you might not get it in your order or for whatever food you got. A trash bag. You're gonna have a lot of trash, and there is a trash can right by you, but it fills.
Oh my god, it fills up. It's disgusting.
For even more warmth, we literally bought hand warmers. Is that
It really helps.
Is that a little intense? Maybe. But I shoved it in my sleeping
No.
bag. Helps a lot. We put all of that stuff in a suitcase. It carried everything, and it was so easy because then we would only have to like plop that and a few other
Yes.
bags in the car.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing that we did is we made our poster
Oh, that was fun.
like when we were camping.
Yeah,
So if
to
you
spend time.
didn't do it yet, bring some markers, bring your poster board.
That was fun.
Do it then.
Yeah, I would recommend. Any arts and crafts? Like, Cannon and Mita had like bracelets, I think.
Oh
were
yeah, they
making.
bedazzled
Yeah.
her like, I think that's
I think
it.
that's like the gist of it. It's kind of a lot. We've been filming for like 40 minutes. That's
There's
it.
a lot to go over.
Oh my god, good luck.
Good
to
luck,
anyone
have
going
fun.
to
I'm
Canada.
so jealous.
We wish we were you.
It cut off again, but I think that's everything.
We hope this helps anyone, even if it's just like one person.
Yeah, we really needed this video when we were
Yeah.
camping the first time. We had no clue what we were doing,
Yeah.
but good luck.
Good luck, everybody. We hope you get very paid, and we hope you see Polly.
Go Polly Corner.
Polly. Woo!